Hello guys, it's time for a review by Jaskaran. New Zealand Bangladesh first test day 1 at Mount Maunganui. This is the start of the first test of the new year with the two-match test series between New Zealand and Bangladesh. Bangladesh won the toss and elected to field. Captain Tom Latham was out to a fantastic one-handed catch by wicketkeeper Leighton Das. Pull and angled into Latham, thick inside edge onto pad of Shariful Islam for 1. Devon Conway brought up his 50. New Zealand brought up their 100. Will Young brought up his 50. Young got run out by a combination of Najmul Hussain Shanto and wicketkeeper Das for 52 in a mix-up with Conway. Ross Taylor was on 14 when third slip of Ibadat Hussain, a simple cat drop. Conway brought up his 100. His second, only player to score a double 100 on debut in overseas test and 100 on debut at home. Taylor was out to full and sliding across him, getting forward to drive on the rise. Picks cover Shadman Islam of Shariful for 31. Conway was caught down leg side keeper Das against a harmless delivery, turning down of captain Momin Al Haq for 122. Wicketkeeper Tom Blunder was bowled off an inside edge onto the stumps of Hussain for 11. New Zealand finished at 258 for 5. New Zealand start day 2 at 258 for 5. Rachin Ravindra was out to full and outside off, pushed forward low catch diving third slip Shadman Islam of Shariful for 4. Henry Nicholls was put down leg side by wicketkeeper Leighton Das of Shariful, though it was a tough chance. Nicholls brought up his 50. Kyle Jamieson was out at long on. Shadman locked up, didn't come close to the pitch of it of Mehdi Hassan Miraj for 6. New Zealand brought up their 300. Tim Southee chipped one straight to mid-wicket Momin Al Haq of Miraj for 6. Neil Wagner was out to grip and turn, caught behind keeper Das of Miraj from round the wicket as Bangladesh went for a review of first ball duck. Miraj was on a hat-trick but missed. Nicholls was out, caught at short third. Shadman trying for a reverse sweep of Mominal for 75. New Zealand 328 all out. Shadman was out to a loopy, low full toss that dipped on him. Close bat face early trying to flick, gets leading edge, caught and bowled Wagner for 22. Bangladesh brought up their 100. Mahmudul Hassan Joy brought up his 50. Najmul Hussain Shanto was caught at gully young to a full-length outswinger of Wagner for 64. Bangladesh 175 for 2 at stump. If you like my review, then do like, share and comment, and also subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icon to get my latest videos. Thank you.